These are the top 3 altcoins for this upcoming bull run. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Altcoin Chief, where we talk about crypto and blockchain. If you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss any crypto content for this upcoming bull run. In this video, we're going to be looking at 3 altcoins which are very solid. This is your low risk portfolio when it comes to altcoins. And if you want to see riskier portfolios where we'll show you altcoins that have more risk, lower market caps, but a lot more potential for higher gains, then make sure you subscribe. Today, we are kicking things off with a low risk portfolio. So let's say your risk profile is low. You don't want to commit into altcoins that are very speculative. You want to have a stable portfolio for this upcoming bull run. You're just looking for a place to put your money in and let it ride. So, kicking things off with Chainlink. Chainlink has been covered many times on this channel at lower levels, but I do believe if you are looking for a stable portfolio, Chainlink is a must. So Chainlink created CCIP recently, which we spoke about in one of the videos. It means that they are connecting blockchains together. So Chainlink in the last bull run was an Oracle provider, and it managed to pull off a very nice run, going all the way to $52 per Chainlink. But currently, they still are a data provider, so oracles, but they've added a huge product to their lineup, which is, as we said, CCIP, connecting blockchains together. So with that stack, I do believe they have a potential to go past the previous all-time high and really go for that $100 price tag per Chainlink. So this would be my go-to token as a first token. And now we can move on to our second pick, and that is ThorChain. Rune, which is the token that's powering the ThorChain ecosystem, I do believe has a great future, especially in this bull run. So all the stats between now and literally the bottom of the bear market show us that Rune, the ThorChain ecosystem, is growing rapidly. They are also kind of creating the interoperability platform where connecting blockchains together is at the forefront of their mission, but they also allow very nice staking incentives for even assets like Bitcoin. So it is a layer 1 solution, and there are projects that are building on ThorChain right now. Again, similar story to Chainlink. I do believe they are going to go past their all-time high in this bull run. So if you are interested in a very solid altcoin, which has a proven track record and a great support on social media, then ThorChain would be my second pick for this top 3 altcoins portfolio. Again, we are talking about very solid altcoins for low risk profile users. And at the third spot, we have GMX. GMX has been covered many times on this channel. We've started talking about GMX actually on those levels, so around $15 mark. And then we had the Arbitrum season, which made GMX almost reach $100. That was a great run. And I do believe GMX will have another big run, which is going to be bigger than this one because things are moving on chain. GMX is a leverage trading platform, which is the biggest and with the most users. And as we've seen in the past few months, many crypto exchanges are getting targeted by SEC. Many crypto exchanges are getting hacked. So I do believe trading will move on chain in this bull run. And GMX, I think, is at the forefront of this mission. GMX allows you to trade crypto with leverage of up to 50x on chain. And if you want to get lower fees, if you want to actually trade on GMX, then use the link in the description. That will give you 10% off your fees. And you don't need to sign up. You just use your MetaMask wallet or any decentralized wallet to connect to GMX, and you can trade various assets. So GMX would be the third pick with the lowest market cap actually of the 3 that we've mentioned today. And I do believe with that liquidity going on chain, GMX is a very attractive play. And it is also, as we said, a stable play. even though we had dumps on Bitcoin recently, GMX has been pretty much stable at around $40 to $50 levels. As you can see, it's been bouncing around those levels since its inception, really. Those levels have been respected. Obviously, we had the Arbitrum season, and obviously we had those falls, but it kind of goes around that $40 to $50 mark historically. So once it goes, I think it goes. Again, support of GMX is huge on social media, which is also the key for us looking at very stable tokens that we want to invest in. And GMX has a great position in my portfolio, in my overall portfolio. I think it's number 3 altcoin that I have in my entire portfolio that consists of around 15 projects. So these would be my top 3 altcoins if I were to have a low risk profile portfolio. As we said, these for me don't require too much attention. If I were after a stable portfolio, I would accumulate those using a DCA method that we've mentioned on this channel previously many times. So dollar cost average, I would buy in small chunks over a set period of time, and I would have some median price. So for our top 3 altcoins when it comes to 2024, and I would say beginning of 2025, would be Chainlink, Thorchain, and GMX. If you want to see a more aggressive portfolios that are going to be coming on this channel very soon, then do subscribe. We do have plans to launch many of these videos in the near future, so make sure you stay up to date. This is it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.